All right, to watch this video for Monday, August 22nd, just a quick look at the SPY. Nice narrow range, not a lot going on. Chat room, we are doing a good job of weeding out the big winners and trading them. So I don't really care that the SPY is doing next to nothing here. We're going to focus on the big movers. All right, so speaking of that, LPTN had a couple trades in this one on Friday, although I didn't knock it out in the park of this one. And now it's up 3 days in a row. So it's ahead of itself. It needs to come in. Let's keep it on watch all week. I'd be surprised if it gives me a trade tomorrow. I'd like to see it come in first couple days. But sometimes, stocks get really strong and shorts can't knock them down. So we'll keep it on watch. It's going to be on watch all week probably. YECO, nice volume spike on Friday. Kind of closed, about in the midway of the range that it was in. But, it's a lower float stock. I'm going to keep it on watch. I'm not in love with it. This one's super interesting, this VISN. Anytime I have a stock that can go from 527 to almost 950 before settling into 808, this thing should be on every trader's radar all week. Again, I don't know what it's going to do tomorrow, but keep this one on watch. That's a huge move. I want a part of the next time it does that, so it goes on watch. All right, SCYX gapped up on, what was this, Wednesday, gapped up again on Thursday, and then on Friday. All 3 of these days, it closed really close to where it opened after having a decent intraday range. But I like the fact that it closed all the way back up near its highs after an initial sell-off on Friday. So that one's potentially higher this week. I'm going to keep it on my radar. EBIO was on bounce watch on Friday, and it just another down day. Never gave me an entry. A lot of times I'll have a bounce watch on watch 3-4 days in a row without taking any trades in it. But this one just lands back on bounce watch for tomorrow. STEM, kind of the same thing. This thing went from like 50 cents to almost $3. Now you're 3 days lower. This is a pretty good scenario for if we get a proper intraday setup. This one might climb 15, 20, 25% in the course of a half hour. So, shorts had to be pretty spooked here. I mean, I know a lot of shorts got killed this day, just kept shorting it as it was rising. Now with 3 days lower, that one's worth watching for another potential pop higher. So it goes on watch. All right, MPEL, I try to have at least one stock that's really pretty beaten up over the last few sessions on watch, and MPEL is the one for tomorrow. It's down 4 days in a row. It had a nice bounce back here on August 4th off of the 13-14 area. So if we get an initial flush on Monday morning, I might be looking this area down here for a potential intraday turn. Might be a good trade there. So let's keep that one on watch. CYCC, really nice run here, and now a couple days lower on lower volume. That one might be ready to turn back up. OCUL, recent resistance here and here. Broke through it, and now it's 4 days lower into what could be support now. A lot of times past resistance can become support. I like the volume on this pop. I like the volume on this pop. Back down into the 8-day, and as I said, previous resistance might become support. And a little bit of a hammer candle there. So that, potential long in that one on Monday. SORL, big pop 5 sessions ago. And now it's down and put in a, down for a few days on lower volume. Put in, at least it closed above its open on Friday. I'll be looking for a possible continuation of that bounce on Monday. And then lastly, I have KOOL. Very nice support here. It bounced off of, here and again here, the 50-day, the 20-day. It looks like it's trying to head back up. So this one makes really nice moves at times. Let's keep this one on our radar for a potential long on Monday. That's it. We'll be adding potential gappers to the watch list in the pre-market. Also on Monday morning, the chat room is really good at using teamwork to spot the gappers and work together on spotting the setups that we teach. So having said that, take a look down in the description of this video. We have included a link to our day trading course that we are very, very excited to offer. So click the link if you want more information about the day trading course. All right. I'm going to leave it at that. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see everybody on Monday.